running water, electricity, RGB mousepads. There's a lot we take for granted in life. Like how our forefathers played on dust magnet mousepads, losing games and their minds, cleaning their mouse so they could aim again. So we invented IceMat, the first mousepad to bring consistency and dust-free gaming to every round of Dust 2. But a new generation of mice demanded a new kind of mousepad. We tested 751 surfaces to create QCK, a combination of microwoven cloth and natural rubber that gives you flawless mouse control and all-day comfort. Sleep tight, little hand. As the iconic esports mousepad with more than 15 million sold, it's probably the mousepad you're using right now. Innovation is in our blood. Always has been, always will be. For glory.